Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that your LENOVO Tab One auto brightness is not working. So actually, this is a very cool fix for you. At first, what I do recommend is to open the settings, which should be over here, and now you have to go to the display. You have to try to disable and enable this once again. As you can see, if I do that, it should slowly work. As you can see, it's going now. Somehow it takes a very long time, but it works, we have to admit it. So this is the first tip for me to you. The second tip is to take some microfiber cloth and close your tablet. As you can see, here I do have my microfiber cloth, and here wipe the light sensor near the front camera area. So wipe it here. It has to be nice and clear, because otherwise your auto brightness won't work as usual. You have to keep your phone nice and clean. Now you can unlock and check if your auto brightness does work. It should, but what if it doesn't? Then you have to restart your tablet to refresh the sensors, as you can see mine does. So now we have to refresh the sensors and reset our tablet. To do so, hold it wasn't the power button, now it was power button plus the volume up, and tap reboot and wait. Now you have to wait 10 to 20 seconds, as I remember. It should take this amount of time, and after this time we can go and check if our auto brightness does work. It may take some time, don't worry. Now we can unlock it and check if our auto brightness does work. It should. If it doesn't, we have to move straight to the settings once again. But of course it takes some time to set up our tablet, so yeah. Now my tablet is set up, so we have to go straight to the settings once again. Now if it does work, we are good to go, as I said, but if it doesn't, we have to move to the software update in the About tablet. Tap About tablet, and here you have a tap System Update. Here now, if you're connected to Wi-Fi, you can check for updates. If you do have any updates, just update your tablet, and it's because the Lenovo maybe has released any quick patch fix for your tablet. Is, as you can see, very common, because here we don't have any 0000, we do have some strange numbers like 17.0.10.069. So yes, patches are very common, patch fixes are very common, so yes, don't worry, and it may be a software issue, so yeah. And actually that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like under our video. And as I said, that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.